TowerTech cooling towers are 100% manufactured and built in the United States of America. TowerTech leads the industry in meeting the provisions of the Buy American Act and the requirements of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009. TowerTech's customer base includes many local, state, and federal government facilities across the nation. These installations include military bases, VA hospitals, research labs, correctional facilities, and judicial buildings. TowerTech is quickly becoming the cooling tower of choice due to the significant return on investment through energy savings, reduced water usage, decreased chemical treatment, and minimal maintenance. TowerTech is extremely pleased that our sustainably efficient cooling towers are made in the USA by hard-working and passionate workers. That passion and commitment is reflected in every cooling tower, supported by our core values of customers for life. When buying TowerTech, you can be confident knowing that it is American-made quality guaranteed to customers around the world. TowerTech is committed to investing in our community, region, and country. Since first established in 1985, TowerTech made a commitment to source the highest quality components made in the USA and to fully assemble our product in our US-based manufacturing facility. TowerTech follows accepted practices and quality assurance procedures to comply with specifications of regulatory agencies, including the guidelines established by the Federal Trade Commission regarding the Made in USA standard. TowerTech, sustainable and efficient cooling towers made with American quality every single day.